Hello everyone, today we will turn this beautiful Hokkaido pumpkin into an amazing soft cake. We will use the pumpkin with the skin on, therefore clean it and dry it. Cut it into smaller pieces and remove the seeds. If you are familiar with my channel, you know why I don't like this crater. Time to update it and grate the pumpkin. All the measurements for this recipe are in the end of this video and in the description box below. Add all sugars. Give it a mix. Add yogurt, orange and vanilla extract, sunflower oil and orange zests. To achieve a fluffy cake, we will sieve all the spices, baking powder and flour into a baking paper, and then pour it into the previous batch. Combine all ingredients well. Now a trick. To place the baking paper on a round cake tray, fold it in half, again in half, then diagonally in half and again until you will have a triangular long origami. Place the tip roughly into the center of the tray. Cut above the base and voila! Now you have a round disc to place at the bottom of your tray. This is called cartouche. Spread the batch into the tray and bake it at 160 degrees Celsius between 40 and 50 minutes. To check if the cake is done, poke the center with a wooden toothpick. If comes out wet, give it 5 more minutes. Let it cool down before unmolding it. Enjoy it! Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.